max and I will close it because I have to eat. My time's up. Okay. So I'm going to create a file emp1. I'm going to create a file emp1. First of all, I'm creating a file. Next, I'm putting some data. So instead of typing it, just I'm copy paste. Okay. So copying, pasting, just click. Yeah, it is randomly it is put it. We can't do anything because we are using a cat command. Okay. Control D. When put a cat emp1, look at the data. It is some spread it out. What I'm doing, so I'm using nano emp1. Okay, or you can use vi editor. I will tell tomorrow because it's almost we are end of the day. So a new one is little bit difficult for you. Okay, so this is my thing. Okay, so I put a delete 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 to make it a straight. That's enough. Important is make sure it should be in a tab space like this. Make it is in a tab space. Use your tab to give the space like this. Backspace tab. Next. Go to 8000. Backspace. Okay. Tab. Backspace tab. Like this. Backspace tab. Go to typist tab. Just like your tables. SQL table types only. Like this. See? Okay. Everything is in a tab in the space. Like this is a tab. That's a tab. Like this. If you give normal space bar, then it is space is a character here. Like this. Space. It's tab. Backspace tab. Okay, see. Okay. Control Z. The N is there. Okay, and nothing up and nothing down. So just okay. Enter. Make sure that no new lines here. Now what to do? Control X. Press Y. Press Y. Enter. So I saved it. Again check. EMP1. Okay. So this is the data. So Madhu sir created this data so many years back. Same data we are using. It is very useful. So this is cat. Guys, understand what I done? I took a data and I use a nano to edit it by make it like a first line, second line, third line, like a rows and columns type, like a table structure. Up to here. Up to here, okay or not?
Yes, sir.
So first is cat emp1. It displaying all the lines. So I'm using a sort command to emp1. Sort emp1. Emp1 is a file. So what is the difference here?
Based on alphabetical order.
Yes, it is a alphabetical order. See, A this is start with M, K, Aruna like Jiva, Nandu, Raman like that. But it is in change it to alphabetical order in the first column. First column. Alphabetical order in the first column. Not F2. Maybe it's K2. Yes. But what happened here? K2 means second column. K2 means I want to sort at the K2. See 18, 21, 23, 24, 28, 31. Okay. In case I want to sort third column, see clerks like this. So based on only third column will be sort based on the alphabetical order. If I want to sort EMP1, so like it is displaying, right? Now reverse sort. It means alphabetical ascending descending order is there, no, like that. So reverse. So reverse order. Reverse to this one. Reverse to this one. Next. I want to sort. So first of all this, but I want to sort the last column. Means this is the first, second, third, fourth one. Which option? K, 4. Fourth option. The fourth column. I sorted my fourth column. Guys, anybody will tell what is the flaw in that one? My output. Fourth column I sorted. There is a flaw. Tell me.
Only first numbers.
Yeah,
No.
very good.
Nine.
950 is a small number than a 300, sorry, 3500, right? Smaller than 3500, but it should be in a top, but it is in a bottom. So this sort only understand alphabetical order type only, 1 2 3 4 only, not based on the value of the number, not based on the value of the number. So what I'm doing is I put a hyphen n here, hyphen n here. Now what happened? 950 went to top. Now this sort is based on the value of the number. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I think lot of people got confused also because they are hungry. They said, "Oh, okay, okay," kind of stuff, not asking question. Guys, I have a file. The file has a data like a tabular format. So the first one is first column, second column, third column, fourth column data. Okay. I want to sort the data based on the first column. So I put a command is sort. What happened? Based on alphabetical order, the first column is sorted. So obviously other columns data pattern will be changes, right? This is the first one. What is the second one? If in case I want to sort the first column data, reverse sort means opposite to alphabetical order, ascending, descending order kind of stuff. What is the command? Hyphen R. We can't sort the row means how do you sort the row? Column wise only. Sort means columns. Okay. Now this is the reverse sort. So output reverse in the sort one. If in case you want to sort a Butler column, you want to sort a Butler column, like a second column, third column, fourth column, like that. Also we can use it. Sort hyphen K to EMP1. Meaning is I want to sort the second column. So automatically based on alpha numerical values, it is 10, 21, 23, like that. Second row is got a sorted. You want to sort based on a third column. You want to base third one. See, K3 means third column. K4 means fourth column. Like how many columns are there? You can sort based on the Butler column. You can able to sort it. Both reverse sort and normal sort also you can do it. But fourth column has a values. Of course, second is a values are there. Fourth one also having some values. But there is a column if you see it's sort based on a alpha numerical values means normally abcd type only 1 2 3 4 for type 1, not based on the value of the number, not based on the value of the number, only based on the alphabetical type of values only, not as a integer value. It won't take it as an integer value or a numerical value. It will take as a just order only. To get sort with the order value, yeah, first value means abcd value 3, 35, 4, 50, 55, 8. So 9 is a bigger one. Like that only it is sorted, not based on a 950 value, 3500 value, not based on that one. To get it, you want to sort the data with the actually value of the number, with the value of the number, not just 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of stuff. Numerical value. So you want to sort with a numerical value. You have to use the option called hyphen n, like this, hyphen n. So this is the your practical sort. Yeah. Oh, shit. No, 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 no. Yeah, from here. Okay. You should create a data. Okay. Like this. Sorting, reverse sorting, sorting the second column, sorting the third column, sorting the fourth column, but fourth column and second column having a numbers. So obviously, if you are observe here, it's sort based on a alphabetical order type only. But if you give n, so it will take this numerical value, so it will display based on that only. Okay, so that is sort. Next one is cut. Next one is cut. Yeah, there's some more options also there in PPT. If you want to try, you can try it. It's your wish. Next one is cut. It is a field cutter or a column cutter. Field cutter or a column cutter. Can we extract a particular candidate details using name like that? I didn't get it. Yeah, you can sort is a sort only. Okay. You want to display a particular line like you can use a grep jiva emp1, a particular line, or grep hyphen I clerk emp1. Okay, two clerks are there. Don't ask like sir, can we do greater than 5000 like a SQL kind of stuff. I never done that one. Okay, so yeah, we can practice graph with this one also. Okay, next yeah, cut, I said cut now. Again, cat emp1. This is my data. Guys, how many times you use a sort or a cut commands, grep command, data never alter. You didn't edit the file, just you change the display pattern, that's it. Just display only, the display pattern only change. Actual data not changed in the file. Data not changing in the file. Next, cut. Cut is a field cutter or a column cutter. Cut emp1. What it will cut? Nothing will cut it. Okay. So you have to use hyphen space. F1 represent first column. F represent column. You want to display only second column. You want to see only third column. You want to see only fourth column. You want to see first column and fourth column like this. First column and fourth column like this. This is the field cutter. Field or a column cutter. Next, one more option is there, hyphen C. Hyphen C 1 emp1. What is displaying? See, MKAJNR. the first letters, character cutter, Butler character in a Butler place. So use C2, second character, A-U-R-E-A-A. See? A-U-R-E-A-A. If I use like this, 1 comma 2 comma 3, okay, like this. If I use something like 13, it went to some place. I want to use 10 to 14, maybe 10 to 15. Okay, it means it's a slicing each one. Okay, it is slicing each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. It's a slicer. Guys, understand? Which one you are understand? Hyphen F or hyphen C? Which one you are understand better? Or both? People are still thinking. No problem, guys. I know. I will tell again. That's why I told once. Okay. Okay. First of all, what is it? EMP1. You got a data. I want to display which column you want it. Tell me. You guys are tell me some first column or second column or third column.
third column.
Okay. Third column. I heard only one column. So F E EMP1 displaying only third column. You want to display third and fourth column. Third and fourth column like this. Shahid asking questions. So we are using K for a column, EMP for a row, and no. In a sort for a column we use K. In a cut for a column we are using F, and there is no rows kind. Row is separate. So row kind of display we are not doing here. Guys, understand this one? I want to display first column and fourth column. First column and a fourth column. Got the point? Okay. Cut is a field cutter, so you can able to display the data in a column wise, or a character cutter like a character wise also you can able to display. We use here hyphen F to represent the Butler column. Okay, and also we can display the Butler columns means 2 columns, 3 columns also we can display like a cut hyphen F 1 comma 3 comma 4. EMP1 is a file. EMP1 is a file. EMP1 is a file name. So 1, 2, 3 also we can able to display. Okay. And next one is character cutter. Character means understand this. M K A J N R is like a one. A is a second. Two. DMUENM is a 3. HANVDA 4. URAAU N 5. 6 is empty. 6 is empty. This one, the space we call it is empty one. 7, A 7. This is our 7. 8. This is 8. 9 is empty. This is 10. 10. Okay, 10. 11. 12. 13. Like this. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, like this. Only straight from top to bottom only, not left to right. No row kind of stuff. Okay, top to bottom only. So that is like a character type we can able to get it. So see that one how to get it. Cut hyphen C1 EMP1 means the first one, first one. Okay, like M K A J like this. If you are using 1 2 3 like this, okay, 1 2 5 in case 5 is done, so 6 and 7, it is gone somewhere. Maybe 5 and 6, that is 5. 6 is not there, see 6 is not there, just 7 and 8. So 6 is the empty row, so 7 and 8, you can see here, already told. This is 5. It means the 1 second, I have a pen, right? I forget because this is Zoom, we have a pen. So this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7, and this is 8. Okay, so that's it.
Sir, is there a command to display without the column? Like I don't need column F3. So before F3 we can use any command.
Instead of F3,
Yes, I don't need F3. Should display one F2 F4.
so you can ignore F3 kind of stuff, like, yeah, I got it. Like this is the output. Okay, this is the output, and you don't want a third one, 1 2 3 required. Generally you can use like a hyphen 1 2 4, or just like a ignore type. You're asking good, like a, you're ignoring type, like a, I said F3. Okay, so F3 should not be displayed. Maybe there is an option like a, maybe hyphen IR kind of stuff, hyphen R or something will be there. Okay, where are we? Hyphen C. We are in hyphen C, right? So you have to follow that line patterns. Okay, so where are we now? So I'm getting hungry. Okay, okay. So if you create one EMP file, you can do so many things with that one. So compulsory calculate and do.
Sir, particular row are display.
Particular row, I better use a grep command. Particular row, or use head, tail, or a particular row number wise, or a pattern wise.
Okay.
Okay. These are a column related one. And there is a double match is also there. Means row column kind of sorting is also there. Again, you have to search for an option. That's not a good one. We already tried and failed. This is a tab separator. Hyphen D, you can use it for a tab separator like this. So someone is written clear all the times. How to change the part. Okay, one last is there. That is, I will tell once. That is paste and tr both the commands, and we will finish today. Okay, paste and this one. Guys, look at here. Cat emp2. Okay, so 34520. Okay, 12903 3 4 like something. Just I'm creating some data. So 6 rows are there. So I'm going to create a 6 rows according to that one. Okay, Control D. So cat emp2. So this is 6 rows. Paste emp1 emp2 like a joins type, like a joins type. So emp1 data, emp2 data. Like if you reverse it, reverse. Column means side by side it will come. Side by side it will come. So what I done? I create a file with a 6 rows in it. Anything I put a some numbers for a easy to type. Okay. I created a some 6 lines. You can put a 2 3 lines also, no problem. Okay, you can put a 2 3 lines also, no problem. Paste what it is happening. First for first file data, then side second file data. So line by line horizontal matching like this, not a appending kind of stuff. Okay, so that is a paste. Next one is a translate. So what is the data in the cat emp1? This is the data, right? So I'm using tr command for translating. Translating means caps small one pattern to other pattern, so you can do it. So like this you can see, um, a to z, tr a to z to mp1. My energy is completed. Yeah, so same thing, right? So that's why I'm getting confused. Capital A to Z. See, everything is converted into cap letters. Everything is converted into cap letters. Nothing, no changes, but there it is a everything is converted to cap letter. Next emp1, sorry, cat emp1. This is full set of data, right? What I'm going to do is tr a and display as a capital Z and give this symbol. Okay, give the less than symbol. So what happened? Can you say anybody?
Z is replaced by A.
Yeah, A is replaced by capital Z. So like we can change something into something. Okay. So this is for changing, like A to Z will be replaced by capital A to Z like this. This one, it is only A is changed to Z. Okay, like that. You can change it like you have A is there, N is there, M is there, like that. So only one particular letter also we can able to change it, or maybe a complete pattern. Because this is called a Translate. Translate. That's theory part. So I am giving only commands here. Practically, how if you do, then what is the output? That is I am giving. But theory, names, options, you can go to the PPT. If in case if you don't get the matter in the PPT about the theory, note down that one. Ask me tomorrow. I will tell at least one line for that one. Follow the notes. If it is in my notes, no problem. For example, less command, more command is in my notes only, so no problem. Okay, or you can write your own notes also. Okay, so guys, this is it. Anybody having any doubts? Please tell me.